All right, every parent needs a vacuum in their car, right? So I was sent this one, and I'm going to show you how it works. I personally think that this is nice. It comes with all the attachments. It came with the cord that plugs in right here. Personally, I think this would be good for small little spills in your car or around your house, wherever you need it. I don't think it's going to do heavy duty jobs because my kids make a mess in my car all the time. They smashed chips last night on my footboard, and this was having a hard time sucking it up. But what's nice is you've got this hose that attaches to this round one, and you've got the brush, just a regular one to get into the creases, but they all have this edge right here, so it just pushes right into here. Nice and secure. And then of course, like I said, rechargeable. You've got this button to open it up, to dump it out, to clean it. So let's go clean out my car.